First of all, what are you doing? And who taught you how to do this?
Daddy?
Okay, good.
Jeremy, you want pizza? Because I'll make half pepperoni, half cheese. We can ravioli. Okay, no. I'm done with this. Two different kinds of cheese. I'm going to do mozzarella and then I'm going to do cheddar cheese. Oh, I think it's cheddar. I don't know. It's really good. Danu.
Germany took a loan to acquire 100 luxurious buses for the guarantee contract. And now it's time to...
Me, Juju, and JC do not eat pepperonis.
Okay, that's not bad.
No! No, I don't want any. I don't want any pep. I don't want to waste food while we can be using that at a different time. How rude of you just to hit me just like that and not say sorry. You just saw that, Mommy? Jeremy just hit me and didn't even say sorry. He didn't. I didn't hit you. Yes, you did. You walked past me above me on my shoulder. That was not Jordan. You just walked past me. I was going to be me. Jordan was over there behind me. No, I was behind. It was one of y'all, okay? I'm not saying you touched me with my hands.
So what are you gonna put the oven on?
350?
I'm asking you.
I don't know. I always leave it on 350 though. It's always on 350, so I always just do 350. And then I put it on 5 minutes.
Okay, so you're gonna put
No,
the
10
oven.
minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
So you're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes.
Done with that cheese. I said, go give me a spoon, kid. I done with that cheese.
And this is flatbread. So you're gonna put it in the oven, and what do you think you're gonna do while it's in the oven? What are you supposed to do while it's in the oven? While you're waiting?
Clean up a mess.
Exactly. What'd you say?
I said the outside of it is kind of broken. Look how good that looks, Mama. Look how good it looks. You see the yellow cheese, the cheddar cheese, and the mozzarella cheese? The mozzarella. Can I taste it? I don't want it to burn my hands. Hold on. Let's try this. It's about to burn my mouth. Hold on.
Tell me how it tastes. Does it taste burnt? Not at all? It looks so good.
It's gonna burn my lip.
Hmm?
It's gonna burn my lip.
My father built this company on cover his
Who don't burn my mouth again, please? I have to be careful. That's so good, Mommy.
If this company falls into the hands of women,
Done.
I can't
Wait till it cool down.
it will be number one.
I made it, Mommy. You made it.
Exactly.
You know, you were telling me about the plants. I assume that this one is for a while.
Well, I was hoping that the DRT contract would be
Guys,
actually, I'm very
look, I got my phone. It's an Apple phone. And it's at the fireplace. Bye. Peace.